Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make your own pre-workout brand, full guide. Begin by defining your audience and performance goals, then choose a clear ingredient strategy focused on efficacy and safety. Map out a development timeline that includes formula drafts, third-party testing, and iterative taste trials. Line up regulatory labeling, supplier quotes, and packaging concepts so you can move quickly once the formula is finalized. Formulation is where science meets flavor, so keep it simple and evidence-driven. Choose core actives such as caffeine for energy, citrulline for pump, and beta-alanine for endurance, then test doses in small batches. Work with a contract manufacturer or formulation consultant to verify stability and taste. Track each trial, adjust sweeteners and emulsifiers, and document everything for future scaling and label accuracy to protect your customers. Branding and launch are where customers meet your product, so be deliberate and consistent. Craft a strong name and visual system that communicates benefits, then produce compliant labels listing active doses and warnings. Prepare marketing assets, sample programs, and a phased launch using micro-influencers and targeted advertising. Monitor feedback closely, optimize landing pages and subscriptions, and be ready to iterate on flavor, packaging, or messaging based on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.